cut it in nice thin pieces like that, and then I'll put it in my bin. I'll show you now. Just do a couple of pieces. I won't bore you with the details. I'll do a few slices. Chucked a few spices down, and all I'm doing is I'm just laying them down nice and evenly in the bin like that. Do a few more. See, I get a piece like that. I'll just whip it off there. That goes into sausages. So I'll just whip this in half, and I'll do a few more slices. Skinny slices, I would say. It's not exact rocket science. So you can do it any way really you want to. So I have done a layer of spices on the bottom. Now I'm doing some salt and coriander and white pepper and black pepper mix over the top of it, and I do it quite generously. So that's my first layer of biltong done. Always work clean. Yeah, so I'll pause and I'll carry on cutting and layering it. So I'll put another layer of meat on top, another layer of spice, another layer of meat until I'm all the way to the top, and then I'll add some other spices and I'll show you.